morning students. Hello, how are you all? Reenu here with online session. Today it's Tuesday and I'm here with my new views, with my fresh opinion, and we have our topic understanding diversity. So we are going to discuss this topic, understanding diversity, class 6 chapter 1. And let me know first, I will give you the brief introduction about civics. What do you understand by word civics? Can you say? It is most important to know about the value of word. What? Civics, political science, Rajniti Shastra. Mean to say, if we want to go through the constitution or set of rules and regulations, so first we have to set a settled agenda in our mind, and according to then one country can run or one country can govern. So it's not possible by a single man's effort. It's a collective responsibility to run India country or any other country or any other state. So, one by one, brief knowledge about political science. We will discuss topic wise and give you the knowledge about the understanding diversity. What do you understand by word understanding? Here it is. Mean understanding diversity. Understanding to know. Janana and diversity. डिफ्रेंशिएट, विविधता, अनेकता में एकता, यूनिटी, डाइवर्सिटी, all are different. God has gifted two eyes, 2 ears to everyone, है ना? All are same to see in any manner, but all are different by everyone. Can you guess how? It's amazing, na? All are having same 2 legs, 2 hands, 5 fingers in one hand, and here eyes to see, nose to smell, but each and every face is different from one to other. That is great differentiate between one to another, but we all live in India country and diversity can be seen here. Different people from different country, different states are surviving here. Punjab related to Punjabi people, Rajasthan related to Rajasthani people, Haryana related to Haryanvi people, but all are same, all are equal in the eye of constitution, judiciary system. Each and every person is equal. So today we are going to discuss understanding diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? First I am going through the meaning of diversity. Then I will tell you the way of life. It's a vast country, so just different religious background like Hindu, Sikh, Muslim, Jati, Jain, Buddhism, they speak different language at home like Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, है ना? You see, that is called diversity. अपनी अपनी लैंग्वेज को बोलते हैं हर कोई, पंजाबी बोलते हैं, राजस्थानी बोलते हैं. ऑल आर नॉट इक्वल इन दिस इंडिया कंट्री. सभी के स्टेट और सभी के लोकेलिटी की लैंग्वेज डिफरेंट है. सो डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, लॉयर्स, एक्टर्स, पेंटर्स और राइटर्स, ऑल आर यूनिक इन हिज ओन वे. These are the profession or occupation. Some are occupational person, some do profession. Every profession belong to particular person, and that person belong to particular caste, particular region or particular religion. That is known as differentiation in person to person. ठीक है? Unity in diversity we can say. Thus we are going any locality, university in dynasty. How can you say that university is there in diversity? It's so simple. We all belong to different states with different houses, different ideas, different wearing styles, but we all are same in the eye of state or country. So diversity can be seen everywhere. I respect your ideas and someone will respect mine ideas. Means to say हम सब चाहे कलर में, कास्ट में, प्रोफेशन में, अपने वेयरिंग स्टाइल में एक से दूसरे से अलग हैं, लेकिन फिर भी हमारी क्या है, विभिन्नता में एकता है. डाइवर्सिटी, यूनिटी कैन बी सीन एवरीवेयर. यूनिटी है, इक्वलिटी है, सभी इक्वल हैं, सबको इक्वल राइट है. सो कॉजेज ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी, ट्रेडिशन एंड ट्रेंड. दिस इज द मेन थिंग. What to do, what not to do, inside the house, outside the house. Learn these things from their parents, but these are traditional and trend. How they became tradition and trend? By our home. Charity begins from home. Means to say we follow our parents. First we see them. हम उन्हें जैसा देखते वो उठते हैं, हमें टच फीट करते हैं. बड़ों को टच फीट किया, छोटों को रिगार्ड करा, ऑनर किया, नमस्ते किया, गुड मॉर्निंग किया. ये सब चीज़ें हम देखते हैं और उसी को हम फॉलो करते हैं. दैट इज़ सिमिलर. एंड देयर पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर्स अराउंड देम. नंबर 2, रीजनल चेंजेस. द ट्रेंड ऑफ वियरिंग क्लोथ्स आर डिक्लेटेड बाय फॉलोइंग व्हाट टू एल्डर्स taught to wear. Most of our dresses and food habits have come from our ancestors. So those who lived in north areas, they wear headgear like a turban, so as to save their head from the scorching heat. It's their different style according to their climate condition. They wear different type of clothes and different type of wearing cap, etc. Now food pattern. Availability of food in particular region, as we can say, those who live in Punjab, they eat makka, maize. Maize is mostly grown in Punjab. Then they eat continuously maize. Rice, cotton, different things are produced and different food materials provided by the different states. Like आटा, चपाती, है ना, ग्रू राइस लाइक आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, बंगाल एक्सेट्रा became rice eaters because they stayed areas there. Regions like Rajasthan which grew बाजरा, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा बाजरा होता है. So started eating these as basic food. These close to seas and rivers started eating fish and others. Religious belief. What were their religious belief? Myths, we can say. Different people believe in different form of God. They have different faith and follow different rituals and custom. They have different patterns and prayers. They have different praying style. Hindu go to temple, Sikh go to gurudwaras, and Muslim go to mosque, and the Christian go to church. Like all people are here worshipable, and each and every people have worship place, different worship place. पंजाबी गुरुद्वारा में जाकर वर्शिप करते हैं और मॉडर्न पीपल मॉस्क्यूज में जाकर वर्शिप करते हैं, है ना. आपकी लोकेलिटी में टेम्पल्स हैं, टेम्पल्स में हिंदू जाकर वर्शिप करते हैं. तो एवरी पर्सन his or have his or different views or different ideas to go for worship. India is a land of great diversity. How can you say India is a great land of great diversity? In India country, Persian people live, in Hindu people live, Punjabi people live, foreign return people live, modern people live, Parsi live. So differentiate can be seen everywhere, but all have same rights, same rules and same respect in constitution. Only our ways of doing them are different. What they are eating, what they are wearing, that is their different matter. Like आपने देखा होगा कश्मीरी people एक अलग तरह की फिरन और डिफरेंट ड्रेस वियर करते हैं। मॉडर्न पीपल अपनी ड्रेसेस, पंजाबी पीपल अपनी ड्रेसेस अलग तरह से वियर करते हैं। उनका खाने का, वियरिंग का अलग स्टाइल है, लेकिन फिर भी सब इंडिया कंट्री में एक साथ एक ही कंट्री में रह रही हैं। तो डाइवर्सिटी, ग्रेट डाइवर्सिटी कैन बी सीन इन इंडिया कंट्री। नेशन, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru coined by India's first, okay, many kind of diversity occur in India such as linguistic, religious, regional and cultural diversity. Linguistic diversity, India has diverse list of spoken language, 800 languages and 2000 dialects have been identified. 22 languages have been recognized by the Constitution, and some of these national languages include Hindi, Gujarati, Manipuri, Santhali, Telugu and Urdu. One good variety of languages respect to each other language. Everyone have their language. हम सबकी लैंग्वेज अलग है, लेकिन इतनी 2000 लैंग्वेज डायलेक्ट्स हैं और 800 लैंग्वेज ओरिजिनल हैं, जिनमें 22 मेन लैंग्वेज है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, जिनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर दिया गया है। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने उसे मान्यता दे दी है। और गुजराती, मणिपुरी, संथाली, तेलुगु और उर्दू ये सब नेशनल लैंग्वेज के रूप में इंक्लूड है और इन्हें राष्ट्रीय भाषा का दर्जा दिया जाता है, और सब इसी को रिस्पेक्ट भी देते हैं। ओके, एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज को रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं। ये नहीं कि आप पंजाबी में कम्युनिकेट क्यों कर रहे हैं या आप राजस्थान, नो। ऑफिशियल वर्क कैन बी परफॉर्म इन ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज, रेस्ट we have to use our own language. Religious diversity, religion in India, so many religions can be seen in India country. People have different belief, faith, gods, myths, etc. They follow different way of rituals to pray and appear their god. Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Christianity, these are commonly religions known as sects. हर रिलीजन अपना अलग अपनी पहचान रखता है। गो थ्रू योर बुक, पेज नंबर 143, सी केयरफुली। फर्स्ट रिलीजियस सिंबल इज रिलेटेड टू ओम, हिंदू ट्रेडिशन। नेक्स्ट बिलोंग टू गुरुद्वारा, एंड नेक्स्ट वन मून स्टार बिलोंग टू मॉस्क्यू, मोमडन पीपल, मोमडन कम्युनिटी, एज वेल एज नेक्स्ट इज बिलोंग टू क्रिश्चियन, and then from Jain Dharma, and then from the Buddha Dharma. These are the main religious symbols. Now we are going through regional and cultural diversity. Religion base, there are many festival faced in religion. Hindu have festival like Dashera, Deepavali, Holi, while the Muslim have Eid ul-Juha, Eid ul-Fitr, and Christian people have Christmas and Easter, and the Jains have Mahavir Jayanti. So different religion and different religious custom or traditions are performed in India country. India is a country of diversity. बहुत सारे रिलीजन यहाँ हैं और उन सबको मानने वाले लोग अपने अपने रिलीजन के अकॉर्डिंग अपने अपने गॉड को प्रे कर सकते हैं और अपने अपने तरीके से अपने अपने पर्सनल रिचुअल्स को, कस्टम्स को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। उन पर कोई बैन नहीं है। फर्दर आई एम गोइंग टू सम अप दिस एंड क्लोज दिस टॉपिक. वी विल कंटिन्यू जस्ट पेज नंबर 144 in my next topic. Bye. Have a nice day, beta.